Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back at the bench to work on this Corvette. I know it's taken me quite a while, it's been quite a bit of work, but along the way I actually got to go to the Volo Auto Museum slash sales shop and see the real thing. And so I did my own walk around, and basically it confirmed several things I already knew, but learned a couple of new things as well. For instance, on this hood here, that grill on the top is faux. It's not actually a grill. So learn that. And then just reconfirmed that chrome on the corner wraps all the way around there. Now this interior is identical to the one I'm going with except for the steering wheel, which I'm doing in wood. And then on the back here, this emblem, it's not exactly like mine, some slight differences in some of the badging. But other than that, it's pretty similar. And then the one last difference is the side view mirrors. The one on the kit are body colored. So that was really cool to see that. And then I found a site where they're doing a frame up restoration, so I used that to inform the painting and the colors. So there you see the engine parts, and then pulled all that together into the engine. And for the most part, everything went together pretty well. And then those same references informed underneath there that fiberglass tub. So to simulate that, I actually used the Tamiya Racing White, masked and sprayed those and simulated that. Then went back, and now knowing what the chrome looks like, masked for that and used the Alclad. And I think that actually came out pretty well. And then on those tires, again, this is 1/16 and I could not find any decals. So basically masked those and then kind of did a combination of dry brushing and then filling in the dry brushing. And I think they came out really good. And then again, this is that same reference and the interior. And so then simulated that starting with the Tamiya X7 red on the interior. And then used those best model car parts. Corvette gauges, and again, those aren't decals, so you have to cut those out and push them in. And then that's my attempt at wood on the steering wheel. And so, pulled all those parts together, and that's kind of what I came up with. And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. And so then glued those interior parts in, and then had to come back with a clamp and make sure that dashboard was at the right angle. And now having known what that grill looks like, I finished that off and put that in the hood, and then built out the frame, adding the details as I went along. Those wheels are just dry fit there. Put the engine, drivetrain, and exhausts in. And then that hose actually was too short, so I cut that off, drilled out both ends, and made my own hose. Then came back and dry brushed that engine bay, and yeah, I think that engine came out really good. I'm pretty happy with that. So then came back and used the Tamiya compounds and the Meguiar's polish, polished that out, and now I'm going to start fitting all these chrome parts. But yeah, this has been a ton of work. Way more work than I anticipated. I had to redo a few things, but I'm just taking my time because I want to get it right. So I think that does it for this video. I should be able to finish it next time. I want to thank 60's Rule for hosting this group build again. And as always, hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling.